everybody, welcome to my channel Grihini, and this is Medipa and this is Bikram.
Hi.
So today I'm in university campus right now, and today I will show you the campus, not fully, though this campus is really very big, but this place I'm gonna show you because this is my favorite place. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So I'm going to start my video from this place. This place is known as farming place. Actually, here student, they actually harvest all these plants and everything is organic. So you will get to see lots of flowers, different type of flowers and fruits here. The best thing about this place is whatever you want, you can have it, and it's completely free. This is the fruit which is a little bit tangy in taste, and the name of this fruit is loganberry. I saw for the first time this one, but I really liked it, and I searched in Google so we can make jam, drink out of this. So definitely I'm going to collect all this. And the plant which just looks like now jungle, but actually basically it's gooseberry plants. It's out of season right now, that's why I don't think I can show you, but I really want to show something. If I get, yeah, I got a one, thank God. So this is the plant, is called artichoke. This is a kind of vegetables. You can cut it half and just roast it with butter and little bit of salt and black pepper. And I know this plant, everyone knows about it. This is green apple. This is walnut, what we called in Hindi akroot. And this is almond. See, there are lots of almond, and I'm gonna take some of them because I heard that we can make salad of this. And this is pear. They really needs to get ripe more and more. And whatever you are watching right now, all these plants, everything is medicinal. And if you are watching this flower, this is called camellia. We make tea out of this for recover the insomnia. How many of you know about addictive narcotic drug? Yes, let me introduce with that. This is the plant I'm talking about. This is afim plant, means poppy seed plant, what we call posto. And let me show you the posto. The flower is very beautiful, but now this is not the season for the flower. Yeah, can you see this posto? And there are other flowers too. Here we have some rosemary, pudina, mint, lemongrass, loads of, and thyme and all. But unfortunately I don't know the name of all these plants, but I can sure that this is all are eatable because I have seen people to take from here. This is also one kind of mint. And this is the mini tree house library. This is very cute, right? You can come here and simply sit and take any books and can read, or else if you are bored with any of your novel, you just can keep here for others people to read. Nice process, right? And yes, university provided this table also, just for relaxation. You can sit here and just can. And this is the pumpkin plant. I'm just wondering when it will gonna grow and I can have this. We Bengalis love pumpkin leaves, right? Everyone knows it. I wish I could make this video before so that I can show you more and more flowers, because it's now off season, but then also we have some of them. This plant is called wineberry. By this fruit we can make wine and jam and drink also. So definitely I'm going to collect some of them for making jam. They look so pretty. There are a lot and lot to grow. And these are all raspberry. It's need to get ripened. It's still so green. I think it will take 1 more month to grow. Now I'm going to show you the another side of this place. This is the plant. This is also a medicinal flower. I heard about it, but I don't know how to use that one. And these plants are black currant. Many of you know about the black currant drink, you know, the flavor of black currant with water. So this is the fruit actually. And this plant, I don't know about it, but something is interesting is happening here. See here, some of them make a bee house, which is really very interesting and very cute to see. That's the resting place. You can have lunch over here. People used to do actually this thing only. They do lunch here and we do Zumba. And this place is known as Duckling. Very colorful, right? And this is the duck house. Can you see the fish? You know what, me and Bikram, after our dinner we go for night walk and then just come here and sit at least for an hour for our relaxation, because everyone is in rush right now. So we really need some this kind of place for refreshing ourselves, for a good morning start. So that's why this place is very very special for us, for me and Bikram. We just really love this place. So today I'm going to finish this video up to here, and thank you so much for watching this. And definitely I'm going to make another video of this campus. Up to that, stay happy and healthy, and of course don't forget to love yourself. Tada!